1. Adjust the seat and backrest of the machine according to your comfort. Sit on the machine and position your hands on the handles or grips. 2. Keep your feet flat on the ground and your back firmly against the backrest. 3. Grasp the handles or grips with an overhand grip, palms facing forward, and position your elbows at about a 90-degree angle. 4. Engage your core and maintain a neutral spine throughout the exercise. 5. Inhale and push the handles or grips forward by extending your arms, keeping your elbows slightly bent. 6. Focus on using your chest muscles to push the weight, rather than relying on your shoulders or arms. 7. Exhale and pause momentarily at the end of the movement when your arms are fully extended, feeling the contraction in your chest muscles. 8. Avoid locking out your elbows at the top of the movement. 9. In a controlled manner, slowly bend your elbows and bring the handles or grips back towards your body, returning to the starting position. 10. Repeat the machine chest press for the desired number of repetitions, maintaining proper form and control.